Sir, this is the main entrance. The first door. It's behind the store. We can tear it down in the future and move back the store here. In case you want. That is the second door. It's not a back door, it's a side door. We'll go down to the front door. To their receiving area. Look. Yeah. This is the piano in the picture. Hi, baby. And the receiving area here around. As I've told you, you can put your power rack here in this spot. So Kevin can use it. And we still have more space for the seats. Even you will build your power rack there. That is the door to kitchen, sliding. So whenever I cook, the smell will not come out here. There's a lot of cabinets installed under the stair to put most of your stuff. In case you want this, you want this house. See? That is the stair up. Then, I'm sorry, baby. This is the dining and the door beside the house. We can use it as the main entrance also if you decided to tear down for the store expansion. The fridge is not including.
The exhaust is included.
The exhaust is included. That's what she said.
Because it's fixed.
This is the first room here. First room. I think it's the same as the Kevin's room. The size. The only thing is the bathroom is in the outside. Beside this room. So here, the first room. Big enough for Kevin, I think, to put the table. And this is the first bathroom. The only bathroom here down. That is, there's still a space here in the kitchen. We can renovate it little maybe. This is the door side. And Rena said she can leave all those ceiling fans here.
It's top of the line ceiling.
Yeah, there. Then I'll go up. The dog is bothering me. There. So I'm in the second floor now. I think the good thing here is that's why it's not that hot. Unlike in our house, they have a good ventilation. big windows everywhere.
I'm going to open it. So.
Yeah. This is the hallway to the first room. This is the first room. This is a very huge room. See? It has built-in cabinets. This is, yeah. So this is really too big room for the two girls, the two big girls. They still can accommodate Tian, Leng Leng. See, they have two beds also, but they have still more spacious there. That is the connecting door for the bathroom. So this is the first room, the kids' room, their kids' room, because they have also four kids, but the three is all boys. Yeah, this is the first room. Then I'll go to the next door, the master. The master. This is the master bedroom. This is supposedly their wardrobe, but they changed their mind to make it the wardrobe area. They just put the cabinet, movable cabinets. And this is the bathroom. So this is the master bedroom. And the view from the back, from here up, the view of the back there.